Pull the Leer stickers off the topper today. It's a used topper, so the Leer stickers are a little bit hazy, and found a cool sticker to replace it with. I got both side stickers off the topper all cleaned up. Just peel these off and then use some Goo Gone and take the adhesive and clean it up real good, and I always use the alcohol wipe and then put the new sticker on. So this is the replacement sticker that I got, and if you go to the link in the description, you can see there's actually a lot of different style stickers that you can have on this, but I picked the one that's got the, looks like a silver reflection, so I think it'll match the topper and be pretty cool. So I've got both sides done now. You can actually see in this side when I walk in front of it, kind of the reflection on it, so that's what it's going to look like on the truck now, instead of that old Leer sticker. So hey, little customization for the TRD today. Not much else to say on this one. Very cheap decals. They're actually, these are decals, not stickers, because they're a little bit more raised, but they fit right in the original. It's the same size. They fit right in the original space on the topper. So it's just a Leer direct replacement for the Leer sticker, and I already took off. Typically you have the big Leer sticker on the back, but I've already taken that off. But that's pretty much it for this little replacement, little custom sticker. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the post, share the post, comment on the post. I appreciate it.